The Solace Business Case Study and Career Guidance module we run here at the Solace Eco Education Centre is one of the most popular courses we run. It's fundamentally made up of three elements. The first part is a classroom talk based on my experience from business, and there's two key takeaways we're trying to relate to students. The first thing is the very real financial implications of your career choice in terms of your potential earning over a lifetime, and then the second thing is the vital element of taking on experience and learning lessons and building resilience in your young lives, so it'll help you to make the right decisions and also to be able to handle things when they go wrong. The next element moves into one of our businesses, which is the gardenshop.ie. Students will work in our e-commerce warehouse where we ship up to 2,500 parcels per week, and their students will get to pick and pack orders, put them in the racks ready to be collected, all the way to sending an email to the customer with the tracking number to say that your order has now been dispatched. And from there we move to another element here at Solace, which is our food production kitchens, where again students will be given the opportunity to make barista coffees and get involved directly in food production itself. So it's a really rounded course. It's part of a much wider range of courses that we run, specifically designed for TY students here. And this particular one will appeal particularly to people who are in food science, home ec, business, and just the general career guidance area.